So for the Pepe and Pilar fans, this is dinner. Kasi sabi nyo, gusto nyo, ayan, nagagalit na sila. Why? Why you? I know, kasi nga gutom na kayo. Okay, ito na nga. So I'm trying to feed them. I'm trying to feed them by myself. Okay. Nom. More, baby, more. Okay. Si Pepe kasi, ayaw naghihintay. Mahilig talaga kumain ito. Oh, yeah, baby. And more? Okay, what is this? This is Cerelac. Anong Cerelac ito, Day? Rice and soya Cerelac. And, yung feet mo. And then we put prawns and carrots. Right, baby? No. Ay, sus, seryoso. Ayan. Then, biglang si Pepe nakaupo na. Diyos ko, hindi na tapos ang food mo. Ay! You have Mr. Pogi, Buti pa si Pilar, kita mo. Behave. Okay, so we're now going to eat more, alright? Pilar? Pepe, behave. Okay, ito na. Pepe talaga. Diyos ko, ganyan ba talaga ang buhay ngayon? Dahil lockdown. Ganyan ba? Ayan, lockdown. Kaya ganito, nagkakaganito sila. Mama, yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. So my kids can say Mama now. They can say Mama and Papa. Oh, lalo pag gutom. Ang galing.